In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set your Windows to update automatically. This will help you whenever you are connected to the internet and Windows has the latest features. They will automatically be picked and updated. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. So to begin, go to Start menu here and search for services. Here are the services. And here we can see all the programs that are running on our computer. But there is one important feature that we need, and that is Windows Update. Let's scroll down and find the Windows Update. It is usually found almost towards the end of the list. And here it is, Windows Update. But as you can see, it is set to manual. So we want this to automatically update. So go ahead and right click on it and then click on Properties. As you can see, the startup type is set to manual. Now this means that whenever there is an update, I have to manually update it. What we want to do is to change this to automatic. So go ahead and click on automatic, which is this. Then select apply and OK. Now if you go back to Windows Update, you can see it is set to automatic update. Now the next thing you'll wish to do is to go and see if we have any Windows features or new features that are available for update and were not picked by Windows. So to do that, what you need to do is to go to Settings, and here is the Settings, and from Settings you wish to go to Updates and Security, this one. Now when you get to this page, just click on Check for Updates and let the Windows run and see if we have any updates. And now as you can see, we have one, and this is Security Intelligence Update for Microsoft Defender Antivirus. It has downloaded and now it is installing. So you see, when Windows is set to auto update, it will be able to pick such changes or such updates and then update them automatically in the background. So this takes time, and as you can see, the installation is done and now our Windows is up to date. So if you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.